Howdy. I wanted to show you all this tuning. This is a strange one. And it's pretty hard. Well, it's easy to tune it down, but it's hard to play the song. A guy named Stephen Stills from Crosby, Stills and Nash made this tuning. And he tuned everything down to E, except for one string. See, look. And that one string is the B, and that's the only string that he left normal, I guess you'd say. And everything else is on E. And he did this tuning just so he could write that song, Sweet Judy Blue Eyes. And that's the reason why a lot of people that love that song, and they've tried to learn how to play it on regular tuning of a guitar, it's real hard to do. It can be done, but you'll get to points where it just doesn't seem quite right and stuff. So that's why, because he's tuned it to all to E. I don't know what he calls it. It's his own tuning. But I don't know the song. I don't know how he plays it, but I just know bits and pieces of it. I just got into this tuning, but since the B is the only one that you can really play a lead on it, it's kind of tough also, because everything else sounds the same, like. But I know a couple of pieces. Let me see if I can do it here. That's all I know, but I'm going to have fun with it, playing around with it, and trying to figure out the song. But that's just what I wanted you to see on Strange Tunings, huh? The Stephen Stills Sweet Judy Blue Eyes tune.